Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Sarah Dawn, and for today's little health weight loss video, I have a bunch of snacks or junk food replacements for you guys that help me lose weight since the start of quarantine. So from March till now, till June, I have actually lost 15 pounds, but that doesn't mean that you have to give up like sometimes your little cravings and stuff like that. But there are healthier options that you can have when you have those cravings. It's all about in moderation and balance. So without further ado, let's just get right on into the video. So the first tip that I have about junk food or whatever you're eating to help you lose weight is don't drink your calories. Oh my god. So many people do not realize, including myself sometimes, how many calories are in pop, in juice, in your Starbucks order, in your drinks, all that kind of stuff. So I have 3 things to show you guys today. The first one is for all you pop lovers out there, whether that's Coke, ginger ale, I don't know, any of that kind of stuff. A lot of my family members used to be obsessed with drinking Coke as well, and then I got them onto this product. Also, just putting it out there, this video is not sponsored, but I will link everything, well, as much as I can down below where you can get it. Some stuff I'm not entirely sure if I can link it, but I will link whatever I can down in the description box. Yes, okay. First thing we're talking about is Zevia. Zevia is a company that makes pop without sugar, and they use stevia. I say stevia. They use stevia to sweeten their pop. I've never been a huge pop drinker, but occasionally I do have a little bit of a craving for ginger ale or Coke or anything like that, and they have literally like every single flavor. They have root beer, they have one that tastes like Coke, they have one that tastes like ginger ale, everything like that, and you really don't notice that much of a difference. I just got one of my close friends, Haley, onto these as well because she's trying to lose weight on her little healthy lose weight journey. So I got her onto these and she absolutely loves them. If you follow the YouTuber Ali Glines, I believe that's how you say her name, her and her husband went keto, and they absolutely love Zevia, so if you want to check out their videos as well. But this is the can that I have to show you guys. So I have a whole case. Funny enough, my camera tripod is balancing on the case right now. But this is what it looks like. This is the can. It just says Zevia on it. Soda, zero calorie soda, no sugar, no artificial sweeteners. It does contain a little bit of caffeine, but that's kind of normal for sodas. There's 0 calories in this. Zero. So imagine being able to sit down, have your drink of pop or whatever you want, and not feel guilty about it. And I promise you there's not that much of a difference. Sure, you get a little taste of stevia, but other than that, I don't notice a difference. I drink this one. This is the one that tastes like Coke. It's the cola one, and it's great to quench that craving. Yes, so if you are a huge pop drinker, you want to get out of that habit because there's so many sugars, artificial everything, and disgusting stuff for your body in soda and Coke and all of that kind of stuff. So please try this out, especially if you are trying to get healthier, be a little bit of a healthier lifestyle, all of that kind of stuff. The next thing I want to talk to you guys about is kind of like an iced tea and a chai tea latte that I make. I used to be a huge Starbucks drinker. I'd stop at Starbucks like almost every morning before my classes in college. Not a good idea. I put on the pounds. That is how I gained the freshman 15, if you will. I have finally like lost it and then some. But these 2 things really helped, and these 2 things contain mushrooms. I know that kind of sounds weird, but mushrooms are so good for you and have so many health benefits. I actually hate the taste of mushrooms. I will not eat mushrooms. I don't like them. You could not pay me to eat one. I don't know why, I just really don't like them, but I still want to get the health benefits from them, and in a healthier option to my chai tea latte that I absolutely love from Starbucks, iced tea in the summer, that kind of a thing. Because iced tea or juice or anything like that, has so much sugar. When you're trying to lose weight or be healthier, one of the things to stay away from is fruit juices, because even though they say 100% real juice or whatever it is, or no sugar added, even if they say no sugar added, think about it. If you have one orange, and how much sugar is in that one orange is the intake a person should be eating. But when you juice like 10 of them or 5, or how many it takes to make a glass of juice, that's that many servings of what you were supposed to have in a glass of juice. That's way too much sugar for consumption, and people drink it constantly. They give it to their kids, everything like that. If you're going to have like juices and that kind of thing, try to find a better option. If you like iced tea, same thing. Iced tea used to just be literally tea, but then they added sweeteners and everything like that. This one is my favorite one. This one is lion's mane, which is a type of mushroom iced tea. It's by Botanica. So it comes in this little, focus. This little jar. Just waiting for that to focus. And it's just lion's mane iced tea. There are whole food ingredients: lion's mane, black tea, and coconut. It says a refreshing way to add lion's mane mushrooms to your day. Lion's mane is a medicinal mushroom known to enhance memory, focus, and brain function. Now enjoy it in a refreshing and delicious beverage. It's made in small batches. It's naturally sweetened and free from any fillers or artificial ingredients. So you just kind of stir it in some water. That's what I usually do. And I do, it is naturally sweetened a little bit, but if you want it a bit more sweet, I add a little bit of lemon stevia, a few drops of lemon stevia in my glass. But there are 10 calories per serving. 10 calories. And it's healthy for you. 10 calories with this versus like 150 calories for just a can of iced tea. You still get to have your iced tea. It tastes just like iced tea, anything like that, but without feeling guilty about it, and it's actually healthy for you and a lot better for you. So that is that one. The next thing I have to talk to you guys about, you've probably heard about this company. It's Four Sigmatic. Same thing with their mushrooms. They put a bunch of good mushrooms in there for you guys. This one is the chai latte mix with turkey tail and reishi mushroom. And this one's really good for you as well. It literally just has organic coconut milk powder, organic palm sugar, organic cinnamon, and then the turkey tail, obviously, sweetened with stevia. And for one packet is 35 calories. That is so much better than like hundreds of calories at Starbucks for a chai tea latte. And in these, I literally just add a little bit of organic soy milk with this and some hot water, and I bring it with me to class. And that is now my latte in the morning. So that is it for drinks. Because again, be very careful when drinking your calories. It's best to just opt for water, flavored water. Put lemon in your water, pretty water, as Sam Oscarl says, my favorite YouTuber. And yeah, this one's really good. So is this one. And if you like pop drinking. So try all of these out and comment down below if you've ever tried some of these and you liked them and your experience with them. Okay, so now we are gonna move on to chips, because your girl gets cravings late at night. She gets the munchies, all that kind of stuff, for just something to snack on. I love chips, especially after something sweet. I want something salty. Everyone likes chips, okay? And I used to be a huge fan of Doritos. Oh my god, no, do not eat those kind of things, guys. There's so many vegan, gluten-free, dairy-free, with natural oil, new chips out there. Go to your grocery store. Go to your grocery store. There are organic sections. Even in the regular chip aisle, there will be natural ones. Just start getting in the habit of reading your ingredients, because if you can't pronounce something, it probably shouldn't be going into your body. And as well, if there is a long list of ingredients, you want the ingredients as short as possible to know what's really in your food. So these chips that I'm going to show you, I literally got into these last night. That's how you know they're good. These are bean chips. These ones are flavored pico de gallo. There's also ones that are flavored nacho as well, and they just taste like a healthier Doritos. Like, I swear, guys, they're so good. These are by the Bean Fields bean chips. They have 6 grams of protein in each serving. it says full in flavor, and 6 grams of fiber as well. So for 20 chips, it's about 200 calories. And that's pretty good considering the difference between this and like a junk food type of thing. And you get servings of protein, everything like that in here. The ingredients are mostly black beans. The first ingredient is black beans, navy beans, brown rice, safflower oil, tomato powder, sea salt, onion powder, spices, yeast extract, dehydrated green pepper extract. You see how it's like real ingredients? So that is a lot better than additives with other chip brands. These next chips, my mom and I are obsessed with. We just recently discovered these. These ones are vegan as well. These ones, they are so freaking good, guys. They are the Plant Snacks vegan cheddar cassava root chips. So cassava root is just like a root vegetable that's really good for you. These ones, yeah, they're vegan, they're non-GMO, they're gluten-free, no added sugar, grain-free, corn-free, dairy-free, soy-free, and tree nut and peanut-free. So these ones are great. There's 5 servings per bag, and in 1 serving is 140 calories. So these ones are these guys, and again, they're like kind of like cheesy. They're really good. My mom and I will sit down and eat these when we're watching Netflix. They are a great late night chip snack. This next one isn't for everyone. I'm just trying to grab the other one. There we go. But don't let it deceive you. They are seaweed. And I know you're probably thinking seaweed, that's disgusting unless it's on sushi, whatever. But these are the sea snacks. Seaweed is great crunchy snack for, especially if you're trying to lose weight or be healthier, all that kind of stuff. And you can have these as late as you want, guilt-free, because they are only for 1 serving, like for 1 pack of these, you can eat the whole pack, is only 15 calories. These are them. This is my favorite flavor. This is the onion one. I think they're so good because they kind of taste like sour cream and onion chips to me. So these are the ones I eat when I have a craving for that kind of thing. The box has a cute little shark on the front, and they are organic roasted seaweed snack. No MSG, no sugar, no gluten, no cholesterol, no trans fat. That's what it says. And it's just really simple, and these ones are great, again, for a chip replacement, salty snack kind of replacement. The next one I'm going to talk about is our nuts. Nuts are great when you have like a snack, especially if you're craving chocolate. A lot of the times your body just wants magnesium, so it's good to have nuts. I'm unfortunately allergic to almonds, so I can't eat almonds, but I will opt for pistachios a lot of the time because pistachios are delicious. I love them. So they are a bit on the more expensive side of nuts, pistachios, but you can get them like this, or you can get plain. These are the ones I love. These ones are the salt and pepper pistachios by Wonderful. I think that's the brand. These are these. But like they're, for half a cup is 280 calories, so they are more calorie hefty, but pistachios are really good for you. And if you search up the health benefits of pistachio, I will try to list some of them to the side. They're really good for you. So I eat these often actually. So this is another option for like a saltier snack, that kind of thing. My mom likes the flavor that's sweet chili. If you like something a little bit spicier, I don't know if you're into like hot Cheetos or something like that, try to opt for the spicier pistachios, that kind of thing. The next 2 things that I'm going to talk about are when you're craving something sweet. I have the biggest sweet tooth ever. Used to be a problem, but then I was able to fix it with moderation, eating everything in moderation, as well as healthier versions of what I want to eat. Like, I'm a huge chocolate lover. Chocolate is probably my favorite thing in the world. So I used to always opt for candy bars, chocolate bars, all that kind of thing. Nope, cut it out. So many calories, not good ingredients, all that kind of thing. The first thing I want to show you guys are, I picked these up yesterday. If you're a huge cookie person, that kind of thing, these are great. These are from Costco actually, and they're the Heavenly Hunks ridiculously amazing oatmeal dark chocolate cookies, and they are gluten-free cookies. And these are so good. They taste like regular chocolate chip cookies, but it's just made with gluten-free oats, dark chocolate chips. There's some coconut in here. They're kind of like a soft cookie, like a chewy soft cookie, and they are so good. For 1 cookie is 140, so no, not 140, 110 calories and 7 grams of sugar, but compared to other cookies, just eat the freaking cookie. So these are really good if you have a Costco near you. I am in Canada, so I'm not sure if the Costco's in the US or anywhere else are different, but look out for these guys. They are so good and you will be addicted. It is hard to just eat one. The last snack that I want to talk to you guys about is probably one of my favorite things on earth. Because I have Hashimoto's disease and hypothyroidism, I have to stay away from gluten and dairy. That's another reason why I like to look for different things to eat, and I'm so glad that now people have come up with so many more vegan options, gluten-free options, dairy-free options, just very versatile for everyone and their needs and their eating restrictions. The best invention ever, Smart Sweets. This isn't sponsored, but like it could be. Wow, I can't wink. But these are so good. The store beside my house didn't have my favorite ones. My favorite ones are the Swedish fish ones, the berry fish that they have, but these ones are awesome too. These are the peach rings. In one bag, one whole bag of candy is 3 grams of sugar and 80 calories. That is awesome. You can sit down to an entire candy bag and feel absolutely guilt-free. These are awesome for when I'm snacking, if I have a sweet tooth, if I'm just craving candy, honestly. A lot of times I will eat half the bag because then it lasts longer, and I do like I like a sweet tooth, but I don't want too many because then I always end up feeling sick if I eat like too much sweet. So I usually have half a bag of these, but you can totally eat the whole bag and sit down to the whole bag. Yeah, serving size is literally one bag on here. The ingredients are good. They're plant-based, high in fiber, free from sugar alcohols, free from artificial colors, naturally flavored, and peanut and tree nut free. And these are certified vegan. So again, these are the Smart Sweets ones. They have these ones that are peach rings. They have the Swedish fish ones that I love. They have like sour buddies or whatever they're called, and they're supposed to resemble Sour Patch Kids. They have gummy bears, both sweet and sour gummy bears, and they are so good. They have so many of those kind of things. They're almost in every grocery store now, so try these out. They are literally heaven. And then another thing, if you guys are really craving chocolate, try to opt for dark chocolate instead of like a milk chocolate, because milk chocolate has like a lot of added sugars, ingredients, all that kind of thing, whereas dark chocolate is usually a lot more pure. Try to get at least 75 plus dark chocolate. I know some people it takes getting used to dark chocolate, but if you are craving chocolate, that cocoa in moderation is actually really good for you. So having like a square of cocoa, I promise, will actually get rid of that chocolate craving. Or again, just try some nuts, because again, if you're craving chocolate, a lot of times your body is telling you that you need more magnesium. So, and that is all for today's snack video. I hope you guys liked today's video. Comment down below if you have tried any of these snacks, your favorite flavors of some of these snacks, any other snacks that you like that are healthier versions of junk food, because I would love to try them. I, again, will try to link everything down below as much as I can. If not, hope you find them somewhere. Like the Costco ones I won't be linking, but go to your local Costco, try to find them. Go to your grocery store, look out for things, read your ingredients. I promise it'll make a difference. And do not drink your calories, because that's going to add to your calorie content and all of that kind of stuff. And like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.